Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here. Hey, I've got a call this afternoon on a R4038 sprayer, and it's just a basic swapping out a solution pump under here that's got a leak right here, and we're going to go ahead and put a new solution pump on. But I did not have any caps. I usually carry caps with me on the truck to cap off these hydraulic hoses so that oil's not running out on top of you when you're trying to change out this solution pump. So I'm going to show you something really cool that we found here, and it's these plugs. This SW304 259 plugs. I carry these on the truck a lot if you're looking for an alternative to plug off hydraulic hoses. So there are these right here. I'll show you what they look like here in a minute when we plug these hoses, but these are really handy because they're universal, and so they'll fit a lot of different size hydraulic hoses if you're disconnecting hydraulic lines out in the field. And as you can see, we got a lot of dirt blowing around here, so we kind of like to keep his hydraulic system as clean as we can. So these are really super handy to carry on your service truck. I'll show you what that looks like here in a few minutes when we disconnect these hydraulic lines. And keep that in mind, these are available through John Deere dealership through parts, and they call them orange VPlugs. And so super cool. I'll show you how that works here in just a few minutes. Check it out. So I've got my hydraulic hoses disconnected here, and I'll show you real quick what I've done. So just basically disconnected my hydraulic hoses and plugged them with these orange VPlugs that work really good. If you're trying to keep oil from running down your neck when you're out in the field working and trying to keep hydraulic lines from getting contaminated with dirt blowing around here. And man, just a good super alternative to that. Rather than trying to stick something in the hose, I usually stick a rag in there or something to keep it from running down on top of you. But they're just these little orange V-plugs, and they come in various different sizes. And you can order several different packages of these orange V-plugs through normal John Deere parts. So man, just a quick tip to help you out in the field if you guys are looking for something like that. And so check that out. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it.
We'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out.
Some bloopers.
He's sitting in the sun over here, man.